Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a product that could help you fit your awning a lot more easier. So stay tuned. Today's video is in kind association with Caravan. Caravan are a website and a store based in North Wales, and they supply all caravan accessories and parts for your caravan and motorhome. If you'd like to know more, please click the link below. Today they've kindly sent me this, which is the Kampa Dometic Easy Awning Pulley system. So let's get it out of the box and let's see what we get. So straight out of the box we can see that Kampa have kindly assembled all the components for us, so it's relatively straightforward. We have a handheld reel here of nylon rope. I don't know the length of the rope because unfortunately it doesn't mention it on Kampa's website, but there's more than enough for the biggest caravan that you could possibly want to tow with. I like the fact that this is nylon instead of standard rope, so that if it gets wet it's not going to rot. Now, attached to the nylon rope we have the pulley system here, which is made of metal, and at one end here we have a carabiner which attaches to the awning eyelet. The main section here is a piece of padded UPVC material with a piece of awning piping on the other end. Now this piece of velcro here, that attaches the two awning stoppers, which I'll explain more about as we go further along in the video. To set up the Easy Pulley system, firstly fit one of the two awning stoppers into the awning rail track and adjust at a suitable section. Now fit the padded pulley system up to the first awning stopper. Now we can fit the second stopper and make sure that both stoppers are tightly fitted. Next we create some slack in the rope and then attach the carabiner to the awning eyelet. Now feed the awning into the awning rail channel, and whilst doing so pull on the awning pulley rope until it is in a position that you have chosen. So that was the Kampa Dometic Easy Awning Pulley system. I have to admit, when I first got it I was a little sceptical about the product, but having fitted it correctly I was very impressed. I like the fact that this nylon rope is very strong, it's going to be very durable, it's not going to rot when it gets wet. There's plenty of it, so if you've got the biggest caravan or motorhome in the world you're still going to be able to use this. I also like the fact that the pulley system is made of metal and it's going to be very durable. You do have this silicone cover which protects the hook system from banging against your caravan or motorhome and causing any damage, and again you have this pad system which protects the pulley against the caravan or motorhome. So yes, very impressed. Also I like the awning braking system that they provide, which are basically two little grommets that slide into the awning rail on either side and lock this piping system into place. Now the other thing I like about this Kampa system is the awning stoppers that they provide. Now these slide into the awning rails and they fitted either end of the pulley system, so it's not going to move. But also you can use them with your awning as well. If you have an awning piping system that might be a little bit looser in the awning rail, you can put these on either end and it will stop it sliding around on the system. Well everyone, I'd like to thank Caravan for providing the product for review, and I'd also like to thank you for watching. But in the meantime, bye for now.